This is what a family vlog looks like, okay? Chaos. Here we go. Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning. We came back yesterday from Ohio around 9:30, I think, last night. And today we are going to have another great day. Right now I'm gonna go inside and change. Why do I need to change, right? You will know in a second. All right, before I start mowing, I need to check the fuel. I think I need to fill the petrol a little bit. Okay. This one is broken, so let me see how to do this. I think I just have to put it slowly like that. Kind of empty as well. I think our neighbor used the other day, so that's one of the reasons why it's empty, because the last time when I used, I did fill, you know, but today it's very much empty. So okay, I think we're good to go. Let's just close this. Let's go. Okay, smelly, very smelly. Let's go out and start this. We're gonna start from this side and go behind the house, and this side and behind the car and all of this area. Yeah, so let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. Come on, let's go. Come on. What happened? Hey, don't embarrass me. There we go. Not working. This is not supposed to happen like that. This is my fourth time trying to mow, and one or two pull it always start, but today I don't know. Let's see, let's try again. Okay, I think I know the reason why this one came out. And when I tried to pull this cable, the cable was not pulling because it was loose, so I put that in, so it should work now. You better work this time, okay buddy? Here we go. That's how you do it, baby. All right, let's do this. It will take me at least about almost 2 hours, or could be less, depends. But also I do want to help by, you know, breaking the firewood today if I have time. Like you see all this firewood here, and the bigger ones are here. Later today, if I'm not tired after mowing, and if the axe have a good sharp, then I'll try to, you know, break all this wood. And me and my father-in-law trying to figure out this root, this one and that one. Probably dig them out, or we'll see, because we have a plan to get rid of that. But as for now, let's begin the day with mowing. Okay, let me update. So this side is done. See, everything is right on the shape. And now this side and the front and the behind the house. So, but let me take a 5-minute break, drink water, see my family, and continue. Beautiful people. Hi. Hello, my lovely wife. You good? And Wayne is sleeping here. Well, just came to say hi to you guys. I love you. I'm going back to work. You're paying me, right? Come on. Alright, Bear, come to the vlog today. Bear. Bear, look here, Bear. Even now, Bear speaks Jillian. Just kidding. Okay, got my water. Let's continue. Finally, it's done. Everything looks very beautiful now. Well, now that I'm done mowing the grass, I will start cutting down the firewood. We're also going out after some time, so I don't have much time, but there's a little time that I have. I still wanted to work, so I just started. I'll continue. I'll keep my camera here, okay? Let's go. That's strong I am. Just kidding. Just a very gentle guy. I think one problem with this axe is basi patla se. See? Nah, because the one that we use at home or even in Nagaland, it's thick. So when you hit the wood, it cracks bigger. But this one, since it's small, thin, so the hole when you hit doesn't get cracked. So it does crack, but it's very tiny. Bigger, the thicker the iron, the axe, it's easy to break the wood. So, but anyway, still good though. Man, looks like I'm crying. I am not crying, okay? Just tired and hot. The humid, I think it's about 30-31 Celsius today, and sun is okay, but the humid is very strong. I'm tired, but we are going out in 1 hour time, so I need to rest, take a shower, get ready and go out. I will continue tomorrow, breaking the firewood. I just have to check with my in-laws if they have any other axe that is thicker, that will do the job easier. Marante creak down napatito. Like when I hit, the wood doesn't crack big, it's small, wasting my energy. So I'll save this energy and continue tomorrow. So let's go in and see my family. Look at my wife here, she's so beautiful. She's busy cleaning inside. We're leaving at 2:30, yeah. So that gives me about 45 minutes, I think, or more to take a shower and eat lunch. Wang and Sabrina is sleeping, so I will not disturb them right now. I'll just go up and clean myself. Hey P, where are we? Where are we? Doctor office? Yeah. Okay, let me tell you where we are. Actually, we are in the doctor office in Chiropractor. We are here for Sabrina and Wayne. We are adjusting them. This is our third visit. One of the reasons why we are adjusting them is that so that when they grow up, their body is not dysfunctional. Children, we hold them in different position in different way, right? So it's so important for children to be correct and adjust their body so that when they grow up, there's no damage while we are holding them.
Okay, here we go. Rat-tat-tat. Oh. Fun. Right there. We're rat-tat-tat. Oh yeah, right there. That's better than last time. Oh, smart. Can you look over this way? Can you look at
Look the other way.
Can you look at your daddy? Like this. Yes. There we go.
What?
Yes. All right, back to our car, and that went well, right? Everything was fun. Sabrina was tickled. She was laughing. Wayne was quiet the whole time. She did it better than last time. She was crying the first day because she was not sure, but second time was okay. Today she did it perfect. All right, I guess we still have a few more visits, right?
Probably 2 more.
2 more. Okay.
I mean, the next one will be on the 19th, and then after that, we should be like right before we head back.
Yeah. So. Yeah. And it's very safe for children to adjust because they know and they're trained, they're doctors, they're trained, they study human bones. So I'm also considering now to do before we leave. So we are here to get an appointment and do the adjustment. I promise I'll give you back, okay? I just want to vlog for us, okay? We are here in Meyer buying some clothes for our children and also for our niece and nephew in back home as a Christmas gift. But we are not going to show you because this is going to be a Christmas gift. I know the Christmas is still long way, but just buy and keep them and give it to them on the Christmas day. So excited. We also got these prime drinks and some root beer. Sabrina is a little cranky. Let's go and catch up Mama, okay? Mama is here. Yeah, it's fun, eh? Okay, you ready to go? Well, we have to wait for her. Yeah, you're riding so fast, baby. Okay, everything's done. We are done for today. We're gonna go home now. Alright, P, done, okay? Done. We'll do next time again. Good girl, come. I think we are all hungry. We all have the same crackers. Alright, we are done with everything. Sorry, the Wang is crying a lot, so I'll see you guys again after that. Yeah, it's almost gone because we both were drinking.
I was taking small sips.
Yeah, I know, I was taking a bigger sip. We still have more, okay? I think we decided that we like this prime, yeah? Especially these ice pop flavors. They have many different flavors, but this one seems to be the best, right? Alright, we're just gonna go home and get rest now, and tomorrow we are going... Papa juice, you want this? Or give it? Hey, slowly, okay? Alright, got distracted. Okay, coming back. So tomorrow we are going to the state fair, and I heard that this is like really big fair, right? So tomorrow we're gonna vlog in a state fair. That's gonna be exciting. But for this, let's end here. Signing off on Jerry and Emma. This is what a family vlog looks like, okay? Chaos. Right? Bye.